Hello, I'm Claire Cullen from graphicsdepot.org. This is just a quick video to show you how to use the PSD mockup templates you downloaded. Now, this video relates to the mockup templates in set 1. That's DVDs, books, software boxes and CDs from Graphics Depot. But the steps I'm going to show you will help you with any smart object mockups. I'm using Adobe Photoshop CS6, so if you're using a different version it might look a little different on your screen, but the instructions are the same. We recommend you use Adobe Photoshop CS4 or later. The first step is to decide which mockup you want to use and then open that template in Photoshop. I'm choosing the Big Book 1 template, which you'll find in the Books folder. You'll see a layered file with a 3D image. The Smart Object layers are labelled Add Your Design Here. Now, the second step is to open the cover design template that corresponds to the mockup you're using. So I'm opening the Big Book 1 PSD file in the cover design folder. You'll see a layered Photoshop file. You can edit this template, change colour and text and so on, or just create your own design from scratch. I'll cover that in another video. For now, I'm just going to show you how to edit this template and copy it into the mockup template. So you can edit or turn off any layers you like. I'm just going to edit the text here. Now I'll change the layer style by double-clicking on the layer style and changing the color overlay. Now I'll just change the background color by double-clicking on the layer to bring up the layer style box and choosing color overlay again. Again, to change the layer style, just double-click on the right hand side of the layer in the layers palette and that will open the layer style box. And here you can add stroke, drop shadows, color overlays, gradients and so on. You can change whatever you want and just use the template as a basis for your own layout. It's very flexible and saves having to start from scratch. Once you're happy with your design, you just need to copy the cover and then the spine into the mockup template. In the Layers palette, you'll see a layer called Cover Guide and a layer called Spine Guide. You don't need to turn these layers on. Simply command-click the icon and that will give you a selection. Or you can simply drag with the marquee tool to select the area you're copying. Once you have the cover section selected, choose Copy Merged from the Edit menu. That will select all the visible layers as a single image. Next, go to the mockup template that you opened at the beginning and double-click on the icon of the Smart Object cover layer in the Layers palette. This will open up the Smart Object as flat artwork in a new window. Now just paste your cover into this window and choose Save. All you have to do now is close that window and you'll see that your cover design has replaced the original design. Now it's just a question of doing the same thing for the spine artwork. Select the spine using the Spine Guide, Copy Merged, go to your mockup template and double click on the Spine Smart Object and paste into the window that comes up. Then save, close the window and you're done.